All right, now the fun part to get back home. Everybody and their dog is going to be getting on the on the trains and trams and buses. But I just wanted to give you a feel for the excitement. Everyone has really enjoyed the fireworks. We have thoroughly enjoyed the fireworks. And here we go. We're walking back across Prymont Bay to the Prymont light rail. Looks a lot different at night time, doesn't it? In Darling Harbour, looks nice and peaceful here to our right. There's Crown Casino. Oh yes, the National Maritime Museum, which they call the Museum. Even the garage now over there is getting rid of the people who were viewing. This place was packed not even 45 minutes ago. Very cool. Very cool. And you can see back to where we were stationed. Right there. There's the barge where the fireworks went off. And there we have Tanya and Stuart. There's the Australian flag flying proudly. Just a fantastic day today. Everything was unbelievable. Unbelievable. What a way to end the evening. And where we are is where they circle the bridge so that the tall ships can go through. Look at that, just beautiful. Now, I'm not sure you can see them, but in the sky, they are the bats flying. If I can find some more, I'll bring them up. Wow. Incredible, just incredible. Beautiful. There's the needle, the eye, the Westfield needle. You can go up and have a look around. Beautiful. Oh, we can see people working on the barge.
So we probably could have stayed up this end.
Yep.
And had a different view.
Next time we'll have a different view.
Now we know.
That is awesome.
That was still great though.
Oh yeah.
I enjoyed it.
Just incredible. All right, well, we're halfway over the bridge. There's the Star Casino.
They're going to play the
There's the North Shore. The lights are shining. All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed that this evening as much as I did, and Stuart and Tanya. Have yourselves a fantastic evening. Bye-bye for now.